konye ke jangul dam ipajan ka Julius Opuna kesda potu ko jawnos kede tawle nyunyura ko sirda alos aichwe ireria lokada itunga lwe wamta abe atiche pa kesda yauntos atwana rena itunga ngupengulda kesda down arochun ide jazz kotom na kane nenu ki policy konye ireria luka itunga lichwe ita kesa limora tos luka yoku ne pepe kede yau kere ko rasitunga luka tutubet naka omarai ko tem lokoriamo ko district loko Kaberemaido Lord Rai RDC loko Kaberemaido Jimmy Segawa Ebil ngesta bu kororuk alosit kotom na boys kana ne peke di policy.
But we are also disappointed that the community of this place came for revenge attack, and as a result 2 homesteads have been burnt down, totally burnt down. There's food stuff in these houses. There's property in these houses that has been burnt, domestic property. For us, we're saying people should stop taking the law into their hands. Once police has taken interest in a matter, let investigations go on. Let police take these matters to a conclusion. But you don't come and take these matters in your hands, and at the end you do this. We are now following the issue of suspected murder, but we also are interesting ourselves in those who burnt these homes, because arson is a criminal matter.
Konye Rose Oguti ngesta bu kolem ne bakiro tona ne sada yau akuria ne polo no koto na datu bet ke
achora nango tiebe wana te kwa joma puga mire bin konywa kede ko pachala mabi kur mere te mere ya du wan ke pente mi wan lewich ne no raida chapad
Lord Rai LC1 lokatu bet na komarai koto mona boys ne chweiteri togoi Augustine Ebusu ngesa blada biswama ona kiona kitogo ikoma mengesi kwa peda utatarber nges aigwap akironu kedi police koto mno Kaberemaido Central Police Station
odanga ti police kuno kana nga ya dilenge ko morto tieke de to tie dano to ne wan kan oriam so I kamera tie ti so do sa wando tuno kan kedi 99 wodo joti ko wango kan wodo jo me kato be ja wodo pongo tu ka gede de bakilu wodo pa ko oriam kedi 99 Biteria mabuga chiel me pachukan ja
togo kwa peta taresane ide lo ntosnu e kalo na ka chetunga ajaut kede tawla baka be atiche pa kitunga luore alo ke support treyarit la buiswa maon koto na boys na koriamo ido lego kinta puga na ko kidding le ride RDC ja boys na kusodi da LC1 ke tunga luko kwa kano kati angi chune pone susu tuli kanora kira kirono kamnal ke dai chena ka itogo ni swama na koto na boys kana Raingo Michael Onyinge Kanuka TV East, Kaberemaido District.